Good afternoon. We are Lifesome Therapeutics, the creators of Ohmline, the first lipid nanoparticle in the market with intrinsic antitumoral properties. My name is Anna Boucher. I'm one of the co-founders, and I'm delighted to be here. Almost 1.5 million patients are diagnosed of prostate cancer every year. 25% of them don't respond to the therapies, they develop resistance. Thousands of ongoing clinical trials highlight the necessity of new therapies. ohmPro wants to improve the efficacy of the cancer treatment and decrease the severe side effect. If we address this point, we will benefit several stakeholders. Patient first, with more effective and less toxic treatment, health systems that need to cut down hospitalization and palliative costs, and an industry who demands scalable technology to solve formulation problems. At Lifesome, we offer a solution that covers all these aspects. We encapsulate antitumoral agents in Ohmline, our patent lipid nanoparticle, a specific blocker of SCA3. While other nanoparticles are passive, Ohmline actively attack the tumor cells that have overexpression and dysregulation of SCA3 channel that are only present in cancer cells and when the cell migrate to develop the metastasis. Ohmline establish synergy with encapsulated drugs and deliver the final formulations to the tumor with high efficacy and low toxicity. In an in vivo model, we observe that the formulation with Ohmline of a standard of care for this indication, docetaxel, present a slower tumor growth rate compared with the standard of care alone, and an in vivo metastasis reduction to the lung and a metastasis prevention to the bone. Moreover, we have validated SCA3 channel at different stages of the disease. As you can see, the increased level of this protein expression is associated with the disease severity. It's expressed in the primary tumor, even more at the metastatic one, and is highly expressed at the castration-resistant patients. If we focus on this patient, the castration-resistant, their therapeutics options are very limited. They receive standard of care docetaxel that have low efficacy and huge amount of side effects. And then strategies from Merck and Janssen are specific to patients with certain mutation. And if we move to in clinical development, we have some progress development with another taxans with passive lipid nanoparticles. They can establish synergy, which is exclusive of Ohmline. And as of the last point, the radioligands are also restricted to patients, to certain mutations in the patients, and present logistical burden which are not present in Ohmline, which is fully scalable and cost-effective. Since 2023, we have raised 1.6 million in non-dilutive funding. We have reached some first client partnership, and we have extended our 2 patents to key markets. Next step will be complete the GLP package toxicology by the end of 2026 and beginning 2027. If we are selected by a Jorge Ruas Award, we can partially cover the cost of the process of the toxicology package. All these achievements have been made by the entire team of Lifesome. All of them are key elements, but I would like to emphasize Professor Rusgaard from Brussels, who was one of the lead researchers injecting liposomes in humans more than 30 years ago. Professor Bandier in France, with all the team, validate the target and all the screening from where Ohmline is coming as a lead. And all of us, we share the same goal. Staying healthy is the only side effect we aim for. Thank you very much.